if I remember correctly, Jesus said the body is a holy temple. And if it is a holy temple, it is the house of God. It is God itself. It is the embodiment of God, and it is the expression of God. And so the body is actually super, super, super important in all of this. And many cultures have a tendency to downput the importance of the body, but that then creates this separation, because there is this tendency to we're playing the game of separation from God. So of course the society at large is trying to convince you that you are not God. And so it's gonna play every trick up its sleeve to try and convince you, because it's trying to distract you from yourself, from the notion and the idea that you are absolute. Because the moment you realize that, you go beyond this. It's game over, let's just say. At least for the physical part. And there are many, many loops that occur, because as you climb through the chakras, you probably have noticed this, that as you climb through different parts of the chakra, sometimes the spiritual side of the reality is more important, and sometimes the physical is more important. There's more emphasis on the body, sometimes there's more emphasis on the mind, sometimes there's more emphasis on energy or the transcendent. And that is because they are one. They are also one. There is no separation between physicality and the transcendent or the absolute, because they are one and the same thing. And so you gotta make sure that they are perfectly balanced, so that you can unite them, because only when you unite the physical and the transcendent can you, let's just call it, become a plane walker. This is a word that I invented myself. This is where you can travel through dimensions and realities at the same time. Dimensions meaning three-dimensional reality is time and space. The moment you go into fourth-dimensional reality, you are in all of the infinities where you are present at the same time, and you're overseeing that. You are the Brahman from the Hindu perspective. You are God, the absolute. But there are more dimensions than that to explore. As you expand your consciousness, you will realize that. But that is not possible until you fully integrate the physical infinity with the spiritual infinity. You end the war, let's just say, and you realize that it's all one thing. And all of that happens on the level of the throat. Quick note, my friends. I do energy healing sessions, online teachings, one-to-one sessions, as well as workshops online. So if you're interested in any of the topics of spirituality and going beyond just the physicality, wanting to expand your awareness, click the link down in the description below. I'll see you there. Blessings be upon you, my friend.